Hello friends, welcome to our channel Astute Edu Hub. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction to pharmacology. The pharmacology, first of all we will study about the basic concept of pharmacology, then we will go for various branches of pharmacology. Basically, pharmacology is the study of drugs. Okay, so the study of drugs is defined as pharmacology. The pharmacology word itself comes from two words, that is one pharmakon and logos. Pharmakon means the science of drugs, okay, and logos means knowledge. Okay, pharmakon means drugs and logos means knowledge. So study that includes the knowledge about different drugs is called as pharmacology. Basically, pharmacology consists of two main branches. So what are two main branches of pharmacology? It comprises of one, that is pharmacokinetics, and two, that is pharmacodynamics. So first of all, we will study what is exactly pharmacokinetics and what is exactly pharmacodynamics. So pharmacokinetics, before studying pharmacokinetics, you need to focus on one word, that is kinetics, kinesis. Kinesis is nothing but the movement. So movement of any drug from the body and how body reacts to that drug, that is called as pharmacokinetics. So pharmacokinetics is what body does to the drug. For example, हम एक tablet लेते हैं. In the tablet formulation, we administer a tablet with a oral formulation. Okay, as a oral formulation. So tablet enters in your esophagus, then it reaches to your stomach, then from the stomach it enters into the blood circulation. From blood circulation again it moves to the different tissues. From different tissues, by showing its action, then it returns to the liver, where it gets prepared for the excretion, and from the excretory organs it is excreted through urine or feces. So it is the movement. टैबलेट ने स्टार्ट किया, फिर वो पूरे बॉडी में मूव हुआ. तो हाउ बॉडी showed its action on that drug, that is pharmacokinetics, whereas pharmacodynamics is what drug does to the body. जैसे कि हमने एक रूल के बारे में पढ़ा है, we are very much aware about that rule, that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So now pharmacokinetic में हमने सीखा that how body acts on the drug, how body does to the drug, what body does to the drug. And now in pharmacodynamics we are going to study what drug does to the body. What is meaning of what drug does to the body? When drug enters into the body, when it reaches to certain tissues, it by showing certain mechanism of action, by binding somewhere or by showing certain action, it shows a therapeutic effect. And all this study, how exactly drug shows its action on the body, that is pharmacodynamics. So you need to remember one branch, that is pharmacokinetics, that is what body does to the drug, and one branch, that is pharmacodynamics, what drug does to the body. Okay, so these are the two main branches. Apart from these branches, there are various other branches of pharmacology are also there. In that, pharmacology consists of main branch, that is therapeutics, pharmacotherapeutics. So in the pharmacotherapeutics, when drug is converted into certain formulation, it is called as medicine. Drug is nothing but only chemical substance. That is not exactly the medicine. It has the medicinal properties. For becoming a medicine, that drug has to be converted into any type of formulation. When it is converted into formulation, like oral formulation, injectable formulation, any type of topical creams, then it becomes a medicine. So pharmacotherapeutics is nothing but how these drugs affect or gives result on a therapy of a person, or how it shows action as a treatment, that is or its clinical importance, that is called as pharmacotherapeutics. Then another branch, that is pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics is nothing but how drug affects on different genetic characteristics of a person. Okay, so that is study of genes after taking a medication, or the relation between medicines and genes, genetic formulation of a person, that comes in pharmacogenomics. Another very important definition, or another important branch of pharmacology, that is toxicology. It is nothing but the study of drugs and its toxic effect. So some scientists have said that every drug can be a poison, and every poison is a drug. Okay, when a drug is taken in larger amount, जब एक drug बहुत large amount में लिया जाता है, more than required dose, that becomes a poison. And if a poison is taken in certain dose, major dose, that can become a drug. So vice versa it is there, and this is the study of whole this poisoning and toxic substances or a drug and its toxic reactions. That study is called as toxicology. Apart from this, there are several other branches of pharmacology like pharmacoepidemiology, pharmacotherapeutics, you can say various type of oncologies, and all this cancer studies. These all are the branches of pharmacology. So this is all about introduction to pharmacology. What we have overall seen in whole this video is, first of all, the definition of pharmacology, then the two main branches of pharmacology, that is pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. After that, we have studied about different other branches of pharmacology, and this is about the whole introduction of pharmacology. अब आपको ये पता चल गया कि exactly pharmacology ये word क्या होता है और उसके definitions और other उसके branches क्या है. So next video में हम discuss करेंगे mainly drug क्या होता है, drug के sources क्या होते हैं, और other facts and figures about drugs that we will study in next video. Thank you.